Hi, in this video we will learn how to enable this Telnet client on your Windows machine. If you're getting this Telnet is not recognized, I will be solving this for you. So let's roll the intro and then get started. Alright, let's close this terminal and open our control panel. Here you will see programs, and now turn Windows feature on or off. So the idea is Telnet client is just a Windows feature which is by default off. You just need to click it and it will enable. Click OK and it will take a little time searching for the required files. Alright, it take a few time, but now Windows complete the requested change. So we can go ahead and close this window and this too. It is recommended to restart your system. So let's reboot this and then get continued. Now we have rebooted the system, and now let's reopen our command prompt, a fresh window, and once again try to writing telnet and hit enter. So yes, you can see welcome to Microsoft Telnet client. Escape character is control bracket. Now your Windows is perfectly recognizing telnet command. Alright, that's a quick help video. I hope you like it. Give this video a like, share with your friends, and do subscribe to Aducators. Thank you.